Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kiwi Crate, and I'm so excited to get into this and to show you what it is for this month. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you unboxings, which is what we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button. And let's get into this crate. Okay, so the Kiwi Crate this month is not labeled because there was a mess up with the shipping and everything like that. And so I have my little cheat sheet here. So it is Science of Magic. So we'll see what that all is. My kids enjoy doing magic. My husband occasionally will do magic tricks for them. And he wishes he knew more magic just because they love it so much. And pretty soon they'll be old enough to realize all of his tricks. But when we open it up, this is what it looks like. So we have Science of Magic, and this is all of our instructions for all the different activities that we're gonna be doing, like maybe sewing a hat. And then we have our little magazine booklet that has probably tons more activities. My son loves going through all of these. If there's any activities, he's like, we have to do this. And then there's banana magic at the back. So there you go. Then we have this cool little glass thing. I don't know, wand. I don't know if it's supposed to be a wand. And then this looks like the pieces for our top hat, probably to put was it a bunny that was in it? Yeah. And we have a little, whatever piece this is, a cardboard piece. Metallic markers, that sounds cool. I don't know if we've had metallic markers before. So this one's the most metallic. The other ones, I don't know if you can tell that they're really that metallic because this just looks red. So we'll see what they look like when he draws with them. These are tons of little tissue paper pieces. So those are all gonna get lost. And we have some yarn right here, just like a black piece of yarn, a balloon. There's like a lot of little random things in here for all the magic tricks. Apparently this is, I don't know what this is. It makes me think of contact lenses. And then we have some wooden pieces right here. Our little bunny, and then some other pieces in here for whatever experiments we're doing. And we have this little tube. And this looks like a stage, maybe a little bit of a stage pieces. There's some more. These ones are blank. So I wonder if he can draw his own. And then some felt pieces. There's an owl. Looks like he has a sticker on one side of him to stick him together. And then more pieces for our hat. This crate has just so many little pieces everywhere compared to what we usually get. And then another really long piece. It has some holes, and then you can bend it. It has parts where you bend it. So that's what's in here. I'm actually really excited to see all the magic tricks he gets to perform because there's so many little pieces in this crate. So I'm gonna let him get at it and I will let you know how it goes.
Hello, I'm with my hat.
So Manti finished doing his Kiwi Crate, and as you can see, he had a lot of fun. So you're gonna start with that. So the hat he had to sew together. It's probably not gonna work right now. Oh, it is working a little bit. There you go. There's some static electricity left on that. So he sewed this together. I helped him a little bit because he got sick of doing it. Sorry, there's like lawn mowing going on and there's construction going on in our backyard. There's lots of noises. Anyways, so I helped him sew a little bit when he got sick of sewing this, but it was a fun idea and I loved how there was a sewing component involved. It was just something different than we normally have had. So that was one of the things. with the bunny in the hat. And then what do you want to show him next? This one. So I can't remember. Yes, this is an illusion. So one way you look at it is a picture and then hold it the other way so they can see the other picture. So, yep, then there's another picture. And so he drew 2 pictures and there's extra ones in here too. These ones, he chose to do the blank ones. You could still
make my own ones.
You want to make his own. You could still turn these around if you wanted to make more of your own. So these ones had patterns on them. This one's so hard to see with the glare, but it's like curtains and stuff. And then you break them apart. Don't break them apart now or you won't be able to use them. Mm-hmm. And he colored on with the metallic markers, which were actually really good. And they had really good color on them. Okay, hold on one second. Put the balloon down. And so I really like them. So I feel like he's going to get really good use out of the markers. And on the black, even, they showed up really, really well. So he had fun doing this and drawing a picture. And like I said, you could make another one and draw some more pictures. But then he wanted to show you his balloon. So he just told me this was the best part of the crate, was the balloon. Is that true?
I'm gonna try to stick something.
He wants to try to use some static electricity. And so he blew it up, which is why it's very cute and little. And then the first activities we did, excuse me, were enchanted objects. And so it was all dealing with static electricity. And so they have a little wand and this piece of felt that you can rub on it. And that you can use for static electricity, or you can use the balloon for some of the activities as well. I feel like the hardest part with this was for him to rub it hard enough for it to get really good static electricity going on. Whereas the balloon's very, very easy for him to do. So then they picked up the little paper pieces. Let's see if we have all the things around here. So the little tissue paper. So this was one of the things they used that to pick up. There was
I want to show you it.
They'll be able to see it in the B-roll. There was a little wooden piece that you could balance this piece of wood on. Stop playing with it, it's kind of loud, bud. And then it would turn around in circles with the static electricity. And then this one worked really well. You get the static electricity going with the wand, and you have this on a paper and you can roll it back and forth. So that was a lot of fun. Our table is a little bit like cream colored. So I actually put all this stuff on a white piece of paper so it was easier for us to see and for you guys to see. And then, was there something else? Oh, there was our owl friend. Where is he? Do you want to hold him up? Here he is. No? You want me to hold him? Now he can be grumpy. And this one, what is this one called? Watchful Owl. So if you've seen those owls that their eyes look like they're moving, that's what this is supposed to be. I feel like it doesn't work as well as those other ones you see. This was the thing that I feel like didn't work as well. All the other, they're not crafts, but magic tricks worked pretty well, except for this one. This was the only one that was kind of a struggle. And then I think that was it, but he's excited to play with more of it. He's like, I really like this crate, and that he'll be able to continue to do some magic tricks and have some fun with it. So did you have a favorite part or a favorite magic trick besides the balloon? Because we know you love the balloon. Are you gonna respond to us? Okay. And so I don't know if he had another favorite part. All I know is that he really liked the balloon. And then
I want to wear my hat again.
Oh, and the hat. You like wearing that hat? And then was there a part that was really hard, do you think? You think there was anything that was super hard? The owl. Putting the stickers on was super hard. Like I mentioned, I feel like the hardest part was probably just for him to be able to rub this hard enough to get really good static electricity.
Sticking it together.
Oh, got it. So the owl is 2 separate pieces and one's a big sticker and you stick them together. So that was a little difficult to get them, try to get them lined up so they'd stick well together. So all in all, it was a lot of fun, and I love that he can still do some magic tricks with it. I love that he just got to experiment, and we all had a lot of fun. My other kids enjoyed seeing it as well. So if you enjoy seeing these types of videos, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.
Expecto Patronum!